finally an update on the RV. Got all the ceiling pulled out. Got it sanitized and then insulation spray foam put in. Thank you, Daniel, for all that hard work. It's at that stage where everything looks way worse before it gets better. Pulling up the flooring. Some of the insulation on the walls, we found rat poop and pee behind the panels. We're not going to pull them all out, but just the top ones, because we believe they were coming in from the ceiling. So it's just kind of residual. They weren't actually in the walls. Still trying to find the water pump. That's been maddening. This is where the toilet used to be. This is where the shower used to be. This is where the bed and bedroom and closet were. Took the window out to get stuff in and out easier that's larger. Definitely in that chaos before things start to find their place. Worse before better stage. Cabinetry and the sinks were there. Sink, singular, not plural. Probably going to extend this. He's got the welder. We're going to learn how to weld together and weld this out, so we extend it a little bit farther out. Slide was kind of a dumping ground. Still trying to hunt for the water pump that may not exist. If anybody knows where it would be, we've looked everywhere. Might be hiding under there. Like the golden egg. Sorry for the lack of updates. Daniel's been live streaming on his YouTube channel. He got a little bee in his bonnet and wanted to take over the YouTube stuff, as that's he likes doing that. But I'm sneaking this video in. Anyway, that's an update. It's about 2 weeks in. I'll keep updated as I can. But that's where things lay. There's a vision, and it's going to come together here once we get a few things like the plumbing and the water pump ironed out, and then this extended. And then we can put that insulation. R19 is what we decided to go for, combined with the foam backer and the spray foam. It should be nice and cool here. And then we'll work on building out the bathroom and shower and put some flooring in. I hope to put a new countertop in, but that might be a little while later down the road. I'm gonna work on doing the cabinets here. I'll take some video of that when I get that going. Anyway, that's the update for mid-May. See you guys later. Bye.